2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.